Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Unpack the PS5 Charging Dock and verify included USB-C cable and power adapter. Inspect the dock for damage and clean packaging debris away. Place the dock on a flat, ventilated surface at least 3.5 inches from walls and electronics. Keep the dock in a dry, cool area away from direct sunlight. Update your PS5 system software before first use to ensure compatibility and optimal charging behavior. Read the Quick Start Guide for any model-specific notes and safety warnings. Connect the dock to the PS5 using the supplied USB-C cable or to a 5V 3A USB port. Confirm the cable is fully seated at both the dock and the console or power adapter. Align each DualSense controller's charging port with the dock's USB-C cradle and slide gently until it clicks into place. You can charge one or two controllers simultaneously depending on your dock model. Charge times vary by battery level, but a typical full charge takes about 3 hours. Check the dock's LED indicators to monitor charging status and possible errors. A green or solid LED indicates charging is complete, while a blinking amber or red LED means error or active charging, respectively. If an error appears, remove the controller and reconnect the USB-C cable firmly at both ends. Disconnect power during long storage and avoid liquids, extreme heat, or metal debris near contacts. Clean contacts with a dry microfiber cloth and inspect.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.